Hey guys, it's Robert. I am making a different kind of video today. So, in camp a couple days ago, I had a monster, and I was thinking, because I saw a bunch of videos on YouTube, where this is going, of people making Lamborghini sounds with a monster. So, I thought, man, why not I try to fold it and sound like a Lambo? But the other ones, they sound like deep and like growly, almost like a Lambo does, but I'm trying to make like a V12 Lambo sound. So ready? And this is two things in one video. One's the most annoying sound ever, and two's the V12 Lambo sound. I'm going to do the V12 Lambo sound first. Ready? Okay, that's how you make, what you do, well, sorry for the stutters. What you have to do is you have to fold this. If you have a tall can, like a Monster can or a really big beer can, what you have to do is you have to grab it about a full finger down and then pinch it right there in, like that. And then you have to make sure that when you want to try to make the sound, you got to make a lot of vibration in your throat, like, oh, sorry, oh. And then if you want to make like a Lambo sound, you have to go higher and then like shift and then go lower and then higher. So like this. Like that. Okay, here's the part two. The most annoying sound ever. And you can use it with this. So what you have to do is you have to go like, oh, really loud, but higher, so then it makes this thing super annoyingly loud. Like that. Wait, I don't think I did it too good there. It gets a lot louder. There we go. You gotta go like doot doot. And my dog's outside, but she's freaking out. That's why, because it hurts her ears a lot. So, and I'm sorry that I haven't been posting recently. I got a concussion, and baseball has been really heavy as I'm wearing my hat. I just got back from, I think it was Delaware this week, and then I'm playing for my friend's team in a tournament in Hershey. And then the week after that, I'm happy about this. I'm going to Maryland and pitching and playing first base a lot. So I'm going to try to post a lot more bangers recently, or upcoming. So stay tuned. I'm going to try to do one more video this week. Let me see if I can. See you guys. Robert Rooney out.